OldSols goober. Look at these other OldSols goobers.
know what was the concept for the whole thing?
The animation series Bleach.
It looks good.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you.
So what is the paint on it?
It's a midnight blue pearl with an ice blue pearl in the clear.
It looks good. Yeah. I like it.
Sunny, it shines a whole lot better.
Yeah, for sure. Got some passport
My dad did
mounts.
the paint.
Yeah, it looks good. These are the Soul creation ones.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've got the headlight ones.
And then I
I've
saw
got
you.
the riggers.
Yeah, I saw those.
3 windows.
Yeah, those look sweet.
Well, with those tinted windows, I don't want it scratching the tint.
Yeah, for sure.
Did you get the headliner? See the headliner?
Oh yeah, that's pretty sweet
And
too.
see, in the series, he's a soul reaper.
Yeah,
So it's a Del Sol. Soul reaper.
I like it. For sure. Super, super clean Samba. Got the Honda Access wheels. Those are pretty dope. 70,000 miles. It's pretty squeaky clean. Another Butte. Very clean. Very super clean. Looks good. Another super clean. So many clean Del Sols.
King-size bed was an escape plan, was an open hand. Now it's a dog from hell, it's a dream you sell, it's an epitaph, it's a photograph.
pretty clean 97, right?
That's correct. It's
Alright.
a VTEC.
Yeah.
249,000 miles. Gonna cross 250 on the way back
Yeah.
home. I bought this in California.
Yes, and you went all the way out there.
I flew out and drove
Yeah.
2,900 miles back.
Damn, that's awesome.
Yeah. What a trip.
Yeah,
And,
for sure.
This car doesn't have air conditioning, so that was fun.
Yeah, mine doesn't have either, but it's really clean, but it's because it's from California.
Yep.
Yeah.
20 years, single owner.
Yeah.
The 2 owners in between had it for a collective 5 months.
Yeah.
And it's fine.
This is almost exactly like mine, but mine is a 95, but it's the exact same color. So,
Gotcha.
yeah. But that color is no longer on there, so I have a new one now. But that's all right. This looks good though.
Yeah, I can't wait to refinish the wheels.
Yeah.
Paintless dent removed.
Yeah.
Get all the dents out.
Are
Probably repaint the bumpers.
you just gonna keep it pretty OEM, or are you gonna?
Yeah, I think that's probably why I paid enough for it
Yeah,
to begin with.
for
and
sure.
That's probably the best way to sell
No,
it.
it looks good, man. Cool. Thanks for coming out though.
Yeah,
thanks
no,
for coming
thanks
out.
Oh, Gloria, I feel so much better. I feel so much better today. And it's not the drugs and it's not the weather. I just feel so much better today. I've been asleep in the driver's seat. I've been lost in my head for weeks, trying to find what it is I need. Too goddamn tired to sleep. And then there are other times I'm so aware that I lose my mind. I never feel like I get enough, so high that I can't stand up. Build a fire and can't stay warm. The only secret to make it through is to take what's in front of you. The fear of death and the thrill of speed, and all the lights in front of me. Drive till the coast is clear, faster till it disappears. asleep in the driver's seat. I've been lost in my head for weeks, trying to find what it is I need. Too goddamn tired to sleep.